Well, I was driving shit boxes my whole life. And finally, this comes to an end right about now. This is my new Toyota GR86. Well, it's actually not new because this is the 2022 edition. And this thing became pretty rare in Europe for, well, a couple of different reasons. And one of the reasons is that this is a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter boxer engine. And I guess all of those European green policies almost ended these cars. And on top of that, this is a rear-wheel drive car, which, well, makes it incredibly fun to drive. So in this video, I would really like to show you just what it is like to drive one of these cars and just give you an idea on how it feels. But maybe briefly, but still, I'll try my best. And I also wanted to give you an idea on what this road is all about. I know this car isn't really meant for roads like these, but this was actually one of the stages from the WRC Croatia Rally, Special Stage 2. And I know that my car isn't exactly meant for roads like this one, and it's definitely more at home on slightly smoother roads. Still, I just wanted to see what it's like to drive here. And on top of that, I even found one of the more aggressive cuts on the stage. And I guess once you see it in person, you actually realize that it's quite fascinating how much those rally drivers were cutting it.
Da, tu Ne, auti.
Well, as I was driving this car around these roads, I tried to really find some good locations to really show what this car is all about. I mean, it's all about other things as well, but especially driving. This is a driver's car, at least in my opinion. These were not the best roads if you have been following the previous part of this video, but it just is a joy to drive. And maybe one of the reasons why I got this one is exactly that. So especially when it comes to these little trips on weekends, and also the views like this one. Of course, you can have views like this one, but just the journey to get there. This is something that I really found interesting about this car. Just the joy of driving. Of course, we might say, okay, 0 to 100 or 0 to 60 in 6.3 seconds, 250 Newton meters of torque. Not really kind of the best sports car out there, but it is really a joy to drive it. And that's exactly it. It's something that we don't see quite often on the roads, and depending on where you are and depending on, of course, and where you live. But in Europe, these are not quite common anymore. And unfortunately, I think that's just wrong. I mean, this is probably the worst financial decision that I made in my early 30s, but I don't think I'll ever forget something like this. So, yeah, that's that.
Kamericu, no.
This is a car for only 2 people. Let's be honest. And as I said before, I don't know if I said it, but I'll say it. A 6-gear manual gearbox, which in my opinion is what these cars need. This thing, a handbrake, a proper handbrake where you can put it down and up. This is something that modern cars, well, actually a lot of cars these days don't have. I do really like these kind of manual dials that you can change, and of course these buttons, they are actually buttons, and of course this nice touchscreen. But to be fair with you, it doesn't really look as premium maybe as you would expect. But for a sports car like this one, I don't even care. Of course, it would need a little bit more horsepower. I am not going to go into that, but at least for me, this is something that I always wanted. This is kind of a dream come true. But there are always maybe some of the cars that I would really want in the future. But honestly, I'm not really sure if they will even keep on producing these cars, or at least none of this kind. Naturally aspirated engines, they're soon going to be a thing of the past. So I guess I just have to enjoy this and, well, use it as much as I possibly can. And now, as we were on our way back home, we had to make one last stop at the gas station for a quick driver swap. And after that, it was finally time to call it a day. Well, I think this should be the end of it. Well, at least for today.